Guys, happy Friday. It's Erin G. Good morning. We have leftover rice last night and I'm preparing lunch for my daughter for school. So I'm making fried rice. I sauteed with a little bit of oil and some garlic. We have here fried egg. Slice it into pieces. Green onion. And imitation crab sticks. So this is what I'm gonna mix to the fried rice. There. I season with liquid seasoning and some light soy sauce. Okay, let's continue to cook. Okay, this is done. Mix the imitation crab sticks. I boiled the imitation crab and cut into cube. Okay. Then we add the fried egg that I cut into pieces and the spring onion. Then we mix it all together. We add a dash of sesame oil. And this is her lunch for today. Happy Friday! Bye guys!